Be a pivotal day in the ongoing public defender crisis here in Massachusetts.
That's right, because starting today, more than 100 people who haven't been able to get a lawyer for 45 days could just have their cases dismissed outright. So let's go to Alicia Palumbo. She's live for us this morning outside the Municipal Courthouse in Boston with the details. Alicia, what's the latest?
Well, it's definitely not your typical court process as the court works through the order to dismiss cases that qualify under the LaValle protocol. Basically, there's a judge in a courtroom here in Boston Municipal Court Central Division working on Zoom with court clerks from other divisions like Roxbury, Dorchester, and Charlestown. There are no defendants in the courtroom, and we haven't seen any on Zoom either. The judge and clerks are working through cases one by one. Now, if these defendants qualified, they qualify for public defenders. They've gone 45 days out of custody without legal representation. Their case is being dismissed without prejudice. Now, this is due to the public defender work stoppage over their claims that they're underpaid. These independent contractors represent roughly 80% of the defendants in the state who cannot afford their own attorneys. That has absolutely overwhelmed the Committee for Public Counsel Services, which takes the other 20%. CPCS is prioritizing indigent defendants in custody because they're required to be released without counsel after 7 days, and they are scrambling to find attorneys to take on the most serious cases. Now, even as today's hearing was going on, the judge held some of the cases back from dismissal and took a recess so the assistant district attorney could continue to try to find representation for some of the most violent offenders whose cases were about to be dismissed.
We're finding lawyers just by running around here, making phone calls, talking to people in the hallway. This is part of the Commonwealth's concern regarding the efforts being made to secure counsel and the need for individualized hearings into the nature of those efforts. Because obviously we have grave concerns for public safety, given some of the cases that are being dismissed.
Now, the second round of LaValle hearings for defendants in custody is set for Thursday, and then there's another round of LaValle hearings for defendants out of custody that's set for early next month. For now, we're live at Boston Municipal Court. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.